Slob on my cat, cause you know it's fat. Check in with me and do that.
Wait a second, freak. I know you from the streets. My nigga Herbert T has said you Judy's me. They call you Little Red, the one who slobs on head and drinks a nigga's nut until you well and fed. To see what she's about, I creep to her house to catch her in her blouse and see how big her mouth. She pulled me to her room to get the fucking zoom. I didn't have a rubber, I fucked with two balloons. Lay on the bed, that's all she said. Her pussy hairs were rough, twisted tight as dreads. The fucking sounds were tunes. I fucked her with a broom. She rode it like a horse. The blood came rushing soon. When I seen that, I didn't want the cat, so I vamped out and never came back. Touch on dick, does it real good? 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 My nigga D Magic, he said he finally got it. The chewing balls flow, he said he had to have it. Know a little freak in Bingham, licks up nut like licking stamps. She'll grant your wishes, blow your freaky kisses. House full of G's, freaks, whores, bitches. Had the little freak in my nigga G, tried to spit some game to get her to suck my meat. Name undercover, my natural how she love it. Stop, bitch, stop.